called and selected Hello Sunray to lead our project. We want to thank Hello Sunray for all they have done to make this project successful. Hello Sunray, led by Anthony Manna, has delivered what they have promised. They proposed this project as a turnkey solution, and they have followed through. The team has been transparent, responsive, and thorough. They handled any issues quickly and effectively, and had solutions prepared when we encountered any obstacles. We have installed a system of over 380 kilowatts, and that will reduce our power costs by over $50,000 a year. So that's not all, because the KYOCERA Group will continue to work toward a sustainable, low-carbon society by pursuing new greenhouse gas reduction methods, wider deployment of renewable energy, and additional innovations to our goal of carbon neutrality. I think this project gives us a great start. 659 panels of these are up on the roof. So obviously it's a pretty big investment for us. The sun won't be beating down on the roof anymore. Like you said, it'll extend the life of the roof, but it also means that the heat generated by the sun hitting the roof it'll be cooler inside. Yeah. Have an open door policy as far as welcoming people to take a look and maybe be able to join the group of sustainable energy like this.
So not only is it contributing to the ecology, it is also contributing to our bottom line. Maybe it'll inspire others to take a look at solar power as an opportunity to not only, again, contribute to a renewable energy source, but also look at their bottom line as well.